This video is all about how to solve the problem of the battery in your Apple laptop running down really quickly after you've upgraded to the Sonoma operating system. The problem is you close the clamshell on your laptop to put it to sleep. The next morning you wake up and hey presto, the battery is almost completely flat. We tried many things to solve the problem, but what seems to have done it for us is changing a setting in the Google browser. So if you are running browsers other than Safari, especially Google, try this. You click on Google and then in the right hand corner up here where you have the three dots, you click on that and you scroll all the way to the bottom until you get to settings. And then in settings, you scroll down on the left hand side until you get to performance. And now here in the performance settings, under the power here, make sure that you have this button here checked, turn on when my computer is unplugged. If you don't have that turned on, what happens is you close the top of your laptop, but the Google browser carries on working in the background and drains your battery. So since we've done this, that seems to have cured the problem on our laptop. It's the next day and here you go. You can see that our battery is still almost fully charged. Before we change that Google setting, overnight this battery would run down if we put the computer to sleep. If that doesn't work for you or you're not actually running the Chrome browser, there is one other method I've come across that works, but it might be described as a sledgehammer to crack a nut. The Mac operating system has something called hibernate mode built into it. You can go along to an application called Terminal, which it lives in the hard drive and then in the applications folder and then in the utilities folder. Here you'll see it, a black thing called Terminal, and you can type a command which will shut down your computer. Now, I would only be using this if my laptop had become unusable after upgrading to Sonoma because the battery keeps running down. So if you type in terminal sudo sudo space pmset pmset space -a space hibernate mode hibernate space 25. Now the 25 is a specific type of hibernate mode that basically sleeps everything including your RAM. The contents of your RAM is copied to the disk and then it powers off the RAM as well. If you do that and hit return, that will send your computer to sleep. The only thing you may notice is when you wake your computer up, it takes slightly longer to respond, a second or two longer to respond. However, you'll probably find that your battery is not flat every morning. So if you're really struggling, try going into terminal and typing that command there, sudo pmset -a hibernate mode 25. If this solution has worked for you, please take a moment to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe so that other people with the same problem can find this video and help sort their issue out.